ducks, hoping they can overcome the nerves and have a bit of fun. That, after all, is what it is all about: agility. Fun for the handler, fun for the dog, fun for everybody watching. We are looking at the best of the best. Grade 7, the highest grade of all. So all outstanding dogs.
All our work to give, we've got all our life to live, we'll survive. Everyone from me. I hope the sun shines on us all and we have a great 3 weeks. Looking forward to it myself very much indeed, catching up with things. What was that? Can I have a leaf today?